Wadonje pao tuke kumamane en kapten magor mahia Austin Oduor Makamu oiki kar yweyo mare mogik e gweng' ma Makunga e kar chungo od bura ma Navakholo kaunti ma Kakamega. Jotelo mopogore mane gin kachiel gi jalup jatend jotij sirkal Walo kod jagoro mongirore e migawo mar tuke Peter Tum e moko kuom jotelo manoyuoro e ikono. Kanolose sach nyasi mar iko, Walo wacho ni sirkal biro keto kenge mar neno ni girito makare jogo mosekedo ne Kenya e nying sekta mar tuke. Jatugo machon magadhula kaka Samio Molo Pamzo gi Washington Muhanji Bobo Gola Tobias Ochola e kin mamoko noyuore nyasi mar ikono.
Kwa sababu dada yangu wako nje, Molo alitumwa na rais kwingine.
Austin has been a good example to us of how each and every one of us should live. He was a role model, not just as a soccer player, but a role model even in life, in old age, how we should live. He was extremely organized. Let us emulate Austin so that we live well with everybody that we interact with.
Most of us are really wallowing through poverty, and also when they pass, nobody is there to take care of them. When they are alive, they are sickling, nobody is there to take care of them. I don't say that legends are special, but we have done something special to the country, where we want the government to support us a lot when we have challenges in life.
Lazima tuwe na some fund kama serikali, ambapo wale legends ambao hawawezi kujimudu kimaisha, tuone vile tunaweza kuingilia tuwasaidie. Nimepata kwamba kuna 4 legends ambao wako na shida, matatizo kidogo, sitawataja majina zao, lakini tumekubaliana na Bwana Walo kwamba sisi tukirudi kule kwa ministry tutaona vile katika hiyo fund ambayo sasa tutaianzisha tutaanza kuwasaidia namna gani.
Tuke mag handball league ma Kenya no dhi nyime kawuono e tugo manogo Kaloleni. Tim mar NCPB noloyo Kisiwa TTI gonde 39